two portions. Two parts. Yes. Now start building. Somebody else also join.
Later you need with the help of your that's called juda also. Now this. Opposite side. And see when you are doing it, please see now this rubber band. Rather than using this rubber band, she would have used another one more which is available there. No? And now suppose if she had a very compulsory.
Which one?
Net.
Net. See, the net is compulsory in the airline, and why they have to put a why we have to put a net? Because now see, so many baby hairs are here. You can see. Now if I put a heavy net, what will happen? The hairstyle will not be visible. Now see this hair. Because she had a haircut. So that's the reason why it's not coming properly. Now when I put a net, it will give the finishing look to her hair. And this is the safest one and the best one because it looks nice. When you have also putting a bun like this.
Yes, ma'am. That day you have done.
And all these baby hairs need to be get